Hey, what's going on, guys? So we just got Julie's delivery of her new Supercharger system, and if you guys aren't familiar with how things get packaged, I remember how my Procharger was packaged. We're gonna unbox this Paxton 2200 system as it comes from Vortec and Paxton. So yeah, we're gonna start with that and show you guys what's in the boxes, what it looks like. Let's turn this light on over here, and go ahead, start.
We're gonna do it right here?
Yeah, right here.
Not on the table?
No.
You're giving me a knife?
Yeah. All right, so I'll open this one.
Yeah,
so this is probably the charge cooler.
What's in the box?
Probably needs to go out the other way. You want to pull the box out? Pull the box out of the box?
Pull the box out of the box. Is it heavy? Where are we gonna put it?
And I could, I don't know, just wherever, like right here on the ground.
Watch out, ducks.
Bacon.
Oh my gosh. I'm like afraid to break something.
No, you're fine. All right.
This way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. Chewy.
Packaged very well.
It is packaged very well.
Nice little cutout. Cool.
Yeah. Everybody knows what an intercooler looks like.
But this one's cooler.
You can polish it out.
Yeah. Do that.
Yep. All right. Very nice.
Pretty.
So yeah, I mean, you know what's interesting is I had a Paxton 2200, and the fins look a little more reinforced than mine did. Mine looked very flimsy. This was like, I don't know, 8-9 years ago, so their design seems to have gotten a lot better.
Yeah.
It looks really good. Yeah.
Solid. I'll probably polish it out before we take it to Power Lab.
Yep.
So.
Sweet.
Neat.
Cool. Well, let's get into the big box. It's got some nice packing in it. Really good packing. So this is the box that we're all wanting to see. Want to check out that huge 2200 blower. And for those of you that don't know, the Paxton 2200, the size of that head unit is bigger than a D1. It's a nice head unit for sure.
We might have to lay it sideways.
Sideways? Up first.
Let's find out. Lots of paper.
There it is. The instruction manual.
Ooh, we got
Blower fluid.
There we go.
So that, for those of you guys that don't know, new superchargers are typically the self-lubricated, so they have their own oil containment system, and you don't have to tap into oil lines. So yeah, there's 3 blower fluid replacements. What else we got? That's probably the valve.
Yeah, this is the blow-off valve. So I did go with the max flow blow-off valve. So it's still going to be super loud. It's going to have probably, might be even be louder than the P1. See this little, maybe here.
A lot of guys would go with teal, whatever, blow-off valves. So, but we're gonna run this one for now. Max flow race valve.
Pretty.
Yep.
Okay.
Gaskets in there, all that good stuff.
All the fun stuff. I'll wrap that back.
We're gonna be careful, make sure everything's still in the original boxes, so that when we do take it to Power Lab, they'll have everything they need. So that looks like the intake elbow. Nice.
That's cool.
Instruction book. Who needs instructions?
Toss those
out.
Alright.
I'm gonna guess that that's the head unit.
This one, you
I'm
want
gonna
to
say
open this
yeah.
one first?
Yeah, let's open that one.
This is,
Are they labeled?
yeah, looks like.
If that's heavy, that's the head unit.
Yeah, I'm just at an awkward angle.
Oh, we don't need to take it out.
Oh, can I look that up? Oh, yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah, that's gotta be the head unit. Yes, the polished 2200.
I'm like scared.
Ooh, you want to take it out and put it on the table?
Yeah.
You want me to carry it?
No, I got it. Come here, baby.
Ooh, look at that.
So shiny. Dogs are even excited for it.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Bacon's all for the polished. Wow. Can I take it out of the bag?
Yeah, let's take a look at it.
I've never had a new Supercharger. Always get hand-me-downs.
Please, hand-me-downs.
But now, so this is kind of neat because I've never bought something like this crazy. So it's expensive and brand new. Besides a car. So I got the.
Ooh, damn, that looks good.
That's so pretty.
Check and make sure the stock pulley that it came with is okay. Mine from Procharger came dented. Looks okay. Yeah. They had to send me a new pulley.
So is that my 348?
Probably. Alright, flip her to the side. Damn.
I'll scratch it.
That looks awesome.
That is so pretty.
Damn. It looks awesome. For size comparison, you should grab that peanut butter jar on the table. That shit. Or is there a soda over there? Oh, there's a soda can. All right. So we're gonna use a soda can to show you guys a size comparison. Is that one open? Yeah. Look at that. This thing is huge. This is awesome. It looks really good, polished out. Looks sick. So the other boxes that are in there are probably not interesting. It's probably couplers, hoses, clamps, shit like that.
This one says something about an assy.
Assembly.
Assy.
Yep, hoses. I would assume. Oh yeah, your charge pipes. I think that's the intercooler connection. Little gaskets and stuff. Hoses.
Smells all new and
Yeah.
brand new rubber. It's like new tire smell almost.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's the bracket and the belt. Nice polished bracket.
Mm-hmm. And then another assy.
More hoses. Yeah, not so interesting stuff. Just bolts and hoses and assembly stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. When you order a Supercharger from Paxton and Vortec, it's very similar to the Procharger system that got sent to me.
Should we compare it to the P1?
I don't think you'll be able to really tell. But yeah, what we'll do is when we drop it off at Power Lab, we'll have Chase kind of compare the head units, the sizes. I mean, this is a really large head unit, guys. It's awesome, and it looks absolutely gorgeous with it polished out. So yeah, that'll do it for this video. We're almost at 10 minutes, and yeah, we're gonna be documenting all the changes as it goes through, and the dyno video and all that good stuff. So thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks. Bye.